Hello, my name is Brandon Julian Avila. Today I will talk about well-being in the workplace and academic environment. I will explain the importance of nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being to improve health and productivity. First, we'll talk about nutrition. Healthy food is very important for your body. Eating fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals helps us have more energy and better concentration, as drinking enough water helps the body work properly. Now we talk about physical activity. Doing exercise regularly improves our health and reduces stress. Activities like walking, running, or playing sports help increase energy and improve our mood. Because of this exercise helps people perform better at work or school. Another important aspect is mental well-being. Healthy habits, good rest, and good nutrition help reduce stress and improve motivation. When people feel good physically and mentally, they can work and study better. In conclusion, nutrition, exercise, and mental health are very important for a healthy and productive life. Thank you for your attention.